You have what's a new motion from the defense, and they're trying to stop that information from getting out to possible jurors. Is that right?
The court has been operating under a scheduling order for quite some time now that said that the 22nd and 23rd, tomorrow and Tuesday, will be the last opportunity for either side to present evidence or make arguments to keep evidence out or perhaps keep evidence in. And we saw that earlier this month from the prosecution team. They filed a motion saying, look, Judge, we want a pretrial ruling on the admissibility of certain evidence. Now, late this past week, and I think this is the first time we've seen it because it was just now available on the court's website, the defense is asking that the court reserve ruling on these evidentiary matters until after a jury is impaneled, they say because of pretrial publicity. They don't want to further taint the jury pool with any further public discussion of what the evidence is in the case.
Again, this is such a heartbreaking case. Do you think the jurors, they will be able to find a jury pool that hasn't heard about this case, and once they do, will they be sequestered, do you think?
Well, the key is not necessarily finding a jury that hasn't heard about the case, Susan. They have to have a jury that can be fair and neutral and impartial. And I think that, yes, they will be able to find a jury. You can't go anywhere without finding somebody that hasn't heard about this case, but the key is whether or not they can find a jury that will be fair. And I think, yes, they will be able to ultimately do that.
And quickly, do you think that the significance of the divorce, the wife filing for a divorce, will help the defense in this case, or is it insignificant? It's,
if it has a significance, it could possibly help the defense case, because if she gives evidence that's favorable to the prosecution, they could say, look, you've got an interest in the outcome of this case because it's hard to defend a lawsuit when you're in prison. On the other hand, if she testifies and gives evidence favorable to the defense, then the defense can say, even though she's filed this divorce case, she's still coming in here giving evidence that will help the defense. Susan.
All right, Philip Holloway, thank you so much. I know you're going to be in court
I will.
on Monday. We'll be following this case throughout. Thanks so much.
You bet. Happy to be here.